The Fulton-DeKalb Hospital Authority is proud to recognize Dr. John Eaves, Chairman of the Fulton County Commission, with the Grady Champion Award. Chairman Eaves has been on the forefront of advocating on behalf of issues impacting healthcare in Fulton County. He played a critical role in the revitalization of Grady Hospital and is proud of his ability to expand healthcare services to the medically underserved.
Well, Fulton County, the largest county in the state of Georgia, we do, I think, a very good job in terms of addressing healthcare needs in our communities. Our biggest contribution is Grady Hospital, Grady Memorial Hospital. So in any given year, we will appropriate between $50 million to $100 million in support of the hospital, but specifically the indigents, those who are uninsured, those individuals who are the most vulnerable within society. And so that's probably our single most important contribution that we make to the greater Atlanta community and specifically Fulton County. Over and beyond that, we also support health clinics throughout the county. We have health centers in North Fulton, South Fulton, and all parts in between. Well, you know, Grady Hospital to me was probably the most monumental thing that I have done during my 7 years in office. And there were some tough political decisions that had to be made, and in terms of advocating some of the changes on the governance level to the hospital, supporting the emergency infusion of cash, $20 million back in 2007, bringing it up to $100 million in terms of supporting the hospital. So when I go to the hospital now as a patient just to get my annual physical or get a colonoscopy or whatever type of preventive type health thing that I do, I can sit back and say, I had a hand in terms of not only sustaining this hospital, not only helping this hospital, but to me, helping take it to another level. To me, it's been about service. To me, it's been about improving people's lives. I think that we all charge with as individuals in terms of, you know, we have to make a contribution in one way or the other. And so to me, being in this position, being able to cast a vote, being able to champion a cause, being able to launch an initiative, all with the intent of making this community a better place, to me that's my motivation, and that's sort of my reward for the efforts that I put in. Well, I want to thank the Fulton-DeKalb Hospital Authority again for this honor, but not just that, but thank them for what they're doing in our community. They play a fiduciary role for the counties in terms of oversight of the assets, the submission of budgets. They're also doing some important initiatives in the county, as well as Fulton and DeKalb County in terms of addressing healthcare disparities. And so kudos to the authority for what it is doing, the leadership of Tommy Deutsch and all the other board members who are part of the hospital authority. So thank you so much for what you're doing, and thank you for this wonderful honor.